Hello everybody, I'm now at Kelantan Lane, Jalan Besar area. So let's explore this area for a while. You know, Goyuko building, I'm not sure what it is, man. 西游科大厦. But it seems to be higher, you know, at the base, at the ground floor, Regina Specialist Parts and Accessories. There's a beauty massage shop over there. Nice shop houses. And there's a birthday food center. I just explored it. Hanny Hen. This kind of ramen, is it? That one is the China duck, you know, and the Hong Kong meat. Wow, we have a bathroom concept, a whole scene. Look at the toilet seat. Oh man. Oh, there are massage shop here. It's an open concept one. So they have hour as well. You know, government is regulating all these massage shop. So there is like open concept. You can see everything from outside. Outside you can see inside. Well. And look at that. There's some nice houses, right? Oh, there's an ice cream shop here. It's nice. More exciting 2,000 right here. Spicy Thai chicken, Singapore structured Sichuan brand. Okay, what's this shop? Oh, that's the same restaurant, right? It's quite big, I can see the concourse from here, man. That's the Bugis area, it's quite near. Jalan Besar GRC and the 4 grassroots leaders, Dennis Hua, Jocelyn Tiu, John Low, and Dr. Riza, man. So of course, Nippon Paint, Nanyang Hardware, and there's other shops. Nearest MRT with the Jalan Besar MRT. Oh, there's a bus to JB. Vietnam Hair Spa, quite old already. It's already faded, you know. And beside there's a cafe, what a cool hostel. Wow, imagine staying here. And this MRT here, Rocher, Bugis, and Little India, man. So you guys enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe and like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much and see you guys in the next video. Ciao,